Welcome to Palenza in Mallorca, and this is the brand new Fairline Squadron 58. It's fine, and we are going to show you some of the features of this boat in her natural habitat, which is this glorious sunshine. And I cannot believe it's 27 degrees in October in Mallorca. This is why I love Mallorca. And we're going to take this lovely Squadron 58 out to a bay. We're going to do some drone shots. We're going to show you the balconies. We're going to show you the bar. We're going to show you everything. Right, so we have anchored this beautiful new Squadron 58 round the corner in Mallorca near Alcúdia. And we've put a drone up in the sky so you can really see how this boat looks and works in the real world. So there's quite a few things I want to show you. I think we'll start with this balcony here. So this is a starboard balcony. Tony's enjoying his drink. And the drone will come round and show you how much a big area this is. You come this way, and we've got this huge balcony here. You can see there's 3 of us stood on here, and there's acres and acres of space. And these chairs fold away and get put away too. Then if we wander round, we're going to have a look at the port side. So follow me around the port side. They're just enjoying some lunch here. They're just going to ignore me. And then round here to the port side. And we join Charles and Stephanie having a drink at the bar. Now, this is a very important part of this boat. Charles, you look pretty comfortable there.
Very relaxed.
Cheers. I'll join you in a little while because I want to try that. What wine is that, Charles?
It's an Italian.
It's not quite Italian Prosecco. A Gavi de Gavi. I love Gavi de Gavi. Right. But again, look, there's 4 of us on this balcony, and look at the space. It's absolutely huge. While I'm here as well, look at the colour of that water, Ben. Absolutely turquoise. How deep is the water? About 6 metres, haven't we? Got about 6 metres. We've also got the new Williams. Is it a 345 or 395? 345 out the back too. Right, so this boat is fitted with a slide and hide platform, which actually is quite novel. And Charles is demonstrating it for us. He's got a button over there, Charles. Yeah. And the first thing it does, as you can see from above too, is it slides out. And as it slides out, it makes the platform twice as big as a standard high-low platform. Okay, so now we've slid right out. We're just lowering the platform into the water, and Charles is going to stop it when it's level. Got a bit of a wobble, but there we go. And you can see at this point here, we've got a platform which is much bigger. It's about 1/3 bigger than usual. By the way, these are the chocks where the tender goes. And if we keep on going down, Charles, this goes down deep into the water and launches your tender. And it's as easy as that. This is the tender just coming in the last part. So you can see it slides in. And the tender is on board on the slide and hide. And it's as easy as that. Also on the transom you have this electric barbecue with a sink, and this just folds away neatly. You just press that down there and you press barbecue in, and as you can see, it just folds away neatly. Easy as that. Now there's one more thing I want to show you at the back of the boat. Well, 2 more things actually. First is the crew cabin access, which is super yacht crew access. And what I mean by that is it's full height access. So we'll stop that there. And I press a button here. And as you can see, it's full of all the shore power cables and probably lots of booze. The last unique feature of this boat is the glass transom. Now they're all sat there having lunch, so I don't want to disturb them, but all this furniture is modular. And if you come up this side, Ben, the furniture all moves around. but they're having their lunch, so we're going to leave them enjoy their lunch. The next part of the boat I want to show you is the Portuguese bow. Right, so we're on the bow of the Fairline Squadron 58 in this beautiful bay. And actually, let's just do a swing round just to show you where we're actually anchored. This is just a few miles from Alcúdia. It's absolutely stunning. We have got this lovely bow seating, which we call a Portuguese bow. Not quite sure why, but that's why it's called. Well, it's called a Portuguese bow, and that's what we call it. The other thing you can see here is the single-piece windscreen. Now, we've had some Sahara rain overnight, so you'll see some dust on it, etc. But this area, as you can tell, is absolutely huge. And if I sit down here on the towels, I can just show you how big and beautiful and relaxing this boat is. What is there not to like about this? This is heaven on earth, and this is why we love Mallorca boating. It's just totally another world. Before I go, I nearly forgot the Flybridge. So here is the Flybridge. I mean, this setting, it looks like it's CGI. It's so beautiful, but I promise you, this is really real world. You've got the barbecue unit. And we'll show you a picture of a party we had up here a couple of nights ago with everyone singing and dancing. So you can see what this looks like, full of people. That's a Targa 50. That's our Targa 50 at the back there.